3 million views, 5 million views, 9 million views.
Your next YouTube short is going to go viral, and here's why. In the last year, I've made 54 YouTube shorts, and
So this YouTube Shorts channel, it gained 600,000 subscribers and 215 million views.
My Shorts channel has over 20 million views, and many.
I hate these gurus. Hook your viewers in 3 seconds. Post consistently. Check your analytics. Use a trending music. Use curiosity get. Post at the right time. These advices are so basic that even your grandma knows it. But I was not there for basic stuff. So I have finally analyzed hundreds of shorts and finally figured out viral shorts blueprint. Since now literally every teenager is leaving a school to become a YouTube guru, the only way to stand out is by creating your own personal brand. I know you have heard this term multiple times from the gurus and you are still confused. What does this term mean? Don't worry, I will tell you with an example. Just take a look at this channel, Law by Mike. He is basically a lawyer and makes content roughly related to law. Sounds boring, right? Just look at the views. 92 million, 80 million, 81 million. I know you can't digest it, but that is where personal brand kicks in. Just have a look at his video. He wears the same dress, maintains the same format, have the same characters in every video with a different story. But why does he do that? You know what? He is super smart. He does this to make him stand out of every other creator in his niche. Personal branding is a technique used by all your favorite creators to not just grow their shorts channel, but to build their YouTube empire. So, if you want a detailed step-by-step tutorial on how to build a YouTube personal brand, comment down brand and I will surely make a video on it. Although this tip is already enough to make you stand out of wannabe shorts creator and easily outsmart them, but if you want your audience to not only watch but get addicted to your videos, then start making serialized content. Okay, let us take this channel as an example. Let us look at its views. 21 billion views. I know you have lost your all senses right now, but if you will see his channel, then you will see a lot of playlists. Let's open one playlist. Just look at the views of every short you can see here. Every short here is viral. The reason for this is pretty simple. When you serialize your content into several parts, the audience binge watches your video and the YouTube algorithm absolutely loves it and promotes your content. I know you probably know this, but comments are super important for a YouTube Shorts growth. Not only because the algorithm counts it as an engagement, but the real reason is people don't like to watch a short if it has zero comment. Provoke people to comment. Create a unfunny joke, make a weird movement that forces people to say, "Hey, what are you doing?" Since you have come so far, let me give you an insider tip. If you are not receiving any comment, you can create an account and just comment from that account. Now, hear me out. As soon as you find your viral format, just keep on repeating it. Now, I know that you are curious that what if my audience complain? Let's have a look at this channel, Jelenox. If you will try to observe his channel, you will see his multiple shorts has a title Real. And if you will try to investigate further, you will find his many shorts has same Ronaldo template. He is again and again receiving troll comments, but since he is smart, it doesn't matter because he is still getting viral. Always keep an eye on analytics, and as soon as you find something is not working, then you have to experiment, as the measure of intelligence is the ability to change.